G'day, my name's Tomo and welcome back to another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups. On this episode, we are talking about the fuel rubber ring that goes around the fuel filler neck of a classic Mini or Moke. So, what is this thing and why do we need it? Well, this is what prevents the fuel tank rattling around and damaging the rear quarter panel. Do we need it? Yes. This is one of two parts, in which the second part is listed beside me here, in which you need to fit to your classic Mini. Essentially, the second part that you just saw a second ago goes on the fuel filler neck itself, between the filler neck of the tank and the body, and this one goes between the body and the filler neck. So they do need to work in conjunction with each other. If one part is worn, you're best replacing both. Simply because if one part is moving, the other part is then taking the slack of it. You can replace these when the tank is fitted to the vehicle, as well as fitting it when the tank is not fitted to it. All you need is some silicone lubricant and some plastic wedges to be able to squeeze it in there, alternatively just some rubber grease. Make sure as well when you replace these, you are super careful that you don't damage the surrounding components, and if unsure, make sure you hit up the team at www.minisport.com.au, and we'll see you again on another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.